Attorney Gascon, tell us, nagsisinungaling ba ang Supreme Court doon sa inisyu nilang statement?
That's the finding of the Supreme Court, but we filed, Your Honor, with that.
Sino mas paniniwalaan ko? Ikaw, Supreme Court. Sino ang dapat paniniwalaan ko? Sige, sumagot ka. Be careful with your answer.
Of course, Your Honor, it's the wordings of the Supreme Court. And
Exactly. There you go. Base sa sinabi ng wording sa Supreme Court, ikaw ay sinungaling. Sinasabi ninyo, dyan sa DMCI, na nagbayad kayo ng 1.9 million para sa lahat ng complainant. Pero ay, para areglo doon sa kanilang claim. Wala sabi ng Supreme Court, hindi, 100,000 naman binigay ninyo at niloko nyo pa. Hindi nyo sinabi ka-areglo, kundi, repeat it again, Attorney Gascon. The 100,000 is for?
I quote, sir, the 100,000 in the guise that it was the proceeds of an insurance from a surety company.
Insurance from a surety company. In the guise. See? Ibig sabihin, niloko nyo itong mga tao. You said 1.9 million. The Supreme Court said no. 100,000 lamang. You said the 1.9 is para pang areglo. The Supreme Court said no. Walang 1.9, meron 100,000 pero yun ay para sa insurance. In the guise na yun ay para sa insurance at para sa surety. O sige, sabihin mo mali ang Supreme Court. Sige, subukan mo.
no, Your Honor, I'm not saying that the Supreme Court is wrong, Your Honor.
Very clear yung wording sa Supreme Court doon. Hindi naman, the Supreme Court will not come up with that kind of decision, with that kind of wordings doon sa dokumentong binabasa ni Mr. Capuno, without all the documentation presented to them, all the pieces of evidence. The Supreme Court did due diligence. It took them years before they come up with that kind of decision. Hindi katulad sa'yo, moro-moro ang decision mo, moro-moro yung mga pinagagawa mo. Kaya nga, yung buhay, kaya mo, yung patay, kaya mong buhayin.
Your Honor, the one that would distribute that is Mr. Mostrales, Your Honor.
No, let's talk about the Supreme Court decision. Yung wordings doon sa dokumento na galing sa Supreme Court. Nasabi mo, 1.9 million pesos pang areglo sa lahat ng complainant. Right? Sabi ng Supreme Court, it didn't happen. Kundi, 100,000 lamang. At yung 100,000, niloko nyo pa sila. Sinabi, yan ay para sa insurance. Yan ay para sa insurance at surety. Hindi areglo. O.
Attorney, excuse me, sir.
Mr. Bueno, you have to be very careful dun sa mga answers mo. If you cannot answer it correctly or properly, then consult your lawyer. Kasi nga po, noong 2008, niloko ka na nitong si Arellano Law Firm. Bakit recently, sumama ka pa rin sa kanila para makipag-negotiate o makipag-usap? Niloko ka na, di ba? Niloko na kayo. O ba't pa kayo makipag-usap sa mga mandoloko? Di ba, naturalmente lamang po na kapag yung isang tao na niloko na tayo, huwag na tayong magtiwala sa kanila. Sumama ka pa rin sa attempt na magkaroon ng aregluhan. You might want to answer that, Attorney Capuno.
Your Honor, in that regard, because DMCI went directly to the complainants, Your Honor, to the laborers. Regrettably, we were not aware.
Were you the counsel? Kailan po kayo naging counsel? Si
We
Mr.
were
Beneta?
engaged, Your Honor, starting June last year, 2022, Your Honor.
2022. So, noong 2020, hindi po kayong
Not yet,
counsel?
Your Honor.
So, yung tinanggal niyo po, kasi sabi niyo po, niloko kayo ng Arellano Law Firm. Sino pong kinuha yung abogado, Mr. Bueno? Meron bang kapalit na abogado kayong nilapitan, law firm?
Meron po.
Sino po yun?
Yun po yun si Atty. Vino
Attorney
Mendoza.
Mendoza?
Marami po kaming nakuha.
Okay, so meron ba kayong dokumentong pirmahan na kinukuha niyo po bilang retainer at abogado niyo itong si Attorney Mendoza?
po kaming file yan.
Okay.
Wala,
So,
hindi ko lang po ngayon.
itong DMCI na si Atty. Mendoza, ang bago naming counsel, dahil itong si Atty. Arellano ay niloko kami.
Meron pa po kaming kinuha ng abogado si Atty. Mora.
Atty.
Raul Mora.
Mora, okay. Again, na-inform ho ba ang DMCI na si Atty. Mendoza and Atty. Mora are these two lawyers who will be representing us from now on after 2008?
Ano po yan?
Meron ho ba kayong mga dokumentong pinirmahan na kinukuha nyo bilang retainer nyo itong dalawang abogado, and na-inform ho ba itong DMCI?
Attorney Capuno, i-guide mo na lang.
Meron. Okay. So, Attorney Gascon, so you were properly informed according to Mr. Bueno na si Attorney Mendoza and Attorney Mora ang kanilang bagong counsel. Pero bakit si Attorney Arellano pa rin ang palagi yung kinukonta? Parang nananagata kayo.
No, Your Honor. Attorney Mendoza and Attorney Mora, the one that they saying that they hired it, he is the lawyer of another claimant, Your Honor. That is the party that allegedly that they sold their right before.
Hindi, pero you were properly informed by...
No, Your Honor, we are not properly informed by that. Because during that time, it's always Attorney Arellano who are with.
Hindi nga, pero meron daw silang dokumento na nagpirmahan sila ni Attorney Mendoza at Attorney Mora.
We have no record, Your Honor.
Meron kayong dokumento? Attorney Capuno, you might want to help your client. Meron bang dokumento na showing na ang bagong abogado niya na ay si Attorney Mendoza and Attorney Mora, kapalit ni Attorney Arellano?
Meron po kaming file yan,
Meron.
Your Honor.
And you have that with you?
Di ko lang po dala ngayon.
Okay.
Meron po
You might want to
silang
present it to us
entry of
next year.
appearance.
Okay.
At the same time nga po nung sila ay nag-file na...
So meron po kayo, entry of appearance. So yun po ipinakita nyo sa kanila.
Opo.
Oo. Attorney Gascon, he said, she said na to. So magpapakita siya ng dokumento na meron siyang entry of appearance at kanino po presenta yung document na yon, stating na may entry of appearance na sa amin itong sina Attorney Mendoza at Attorney Mora. Kanino po presenta yung dokumentong yon? Kanino po binigay? Kanino po pinakita? Sinumite?
Yun po ay na ano yun, dahil may entry of appearance. Tapos po, Your Honor,
Hindi, kanino nyo po binigay yung dokumentong yon sa DMCI? Sino doon sa DMCI ang binigyan nyo?
sa kanila po kasi yung reply po, Your Honor, nung
Hindi, kanino nga po? Kanino? Sino doon?
yung sa DMCI po, meron po kaming kopya na ibinigay sa kanila.
Okay, so may received copy. Your Honor, so, go ahead, Attorney Capuno. So, yung gusto ko naman i-clear. So, sabi niya, binigay sa DMCI, so dapat yung may receive. Diba? Yung parang ni-receive copy.
Yes, Your Honor.
We have that kind of document, Attorney Capuno.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, if I may. Your Honor, in the usual practice, when a counsel enters its appearance in court, the parties are furnished a copy of the entry of appearance. That would serve as a notice to the party that a new counsel is representing the complainant.
Who is supposed to furnish that copy?
The counsel filing the entry of appearance, Your Honor.
So, that is supposed to be Attorney Mendoza and Attorney Mora.
Yes, Your Honor. That
They were
is part of the records of the case, Your Honor.
Okay. So, since they're not here, we cannot ask them. My question kasi sana, if meron tayong kopya ng dokumento na na-receive yung document na yon na telling DMCI na they are the new lawyers,
Yes, Your Honor.
you might wanna look for that.
We'll check the records, Your Honor.
Okay. Kasi kapag merong ganong dokumento, then may problema na naman tong DMCI. Binaypass na naman nila yung mga abogado na totoo,
Your Honor,
na yun talaga ang legit.
Your Honor, if I may add on the discussion regarding the alleged settlement in year 2009, as mentioned earlier, if I may quote the portion of the decision of the Supreme Court, It stated there that, I quote, "The above cited statement demonstrates that the signatures of respondents were fraudulently placed in the said deed of redemption and quitclaim. Villamor A. Mostrales, open close parenthesis, Mostrales, the representative of their previous counsel, gave them 100,000 pesos in the guise that it was the proceeds of an open close to the insurance from a surety company, and they were made to sign blank pages with their names. However, before the LA, it was shown that it was Attorney Gascon, the lawyer of DMCI, who gave the money to Mostrales, believing that the latter was a lawyer. Evidently, the consent of the respondents was fraudulently secured in this said deed of redemption and quitclaim." These are the words of the Supreme Court, Your Honor. If earlier it was mentioned that there was a settlement made in year 2009, but the findings of the Supreme Court stated that it is not 1.9 million that was given to the respondents, but only 100,000 pesos only. And it was not as a settlement of the labor case, but only the proceeds of an insurance from a surety company, Your Honor. I'm just lifting the findings of the